In this video, we will look at getting started with FileZilla. FileZilla is an SFTP application. SFTP stands for Secure File Transfer Protocol. What it does is allows you to transfer files from your computer to the server and from the server to your computer. It also allows you to create, rename, and delete files and folders from the server. Once you've installed FileZilla and opened it up, you will see a screen like shown. Before we get logging into our server via FileZilla, let's look at how FileZilla is laid out. In the upper area, we have a login area. We will discuss that later in this video. The next window is a screen used to display connection information. For the most part, you can ignore this. The window to the left top displays the folders on your local computer. If you click an arrow to the left of the folder name, you will see all the subfolders. The area to the bottom left will list all the subfolders and files for the folder you clicked on in the top. For example, I will click on Users, S-Shaper, Desktop, FileZilla Test. In the area below, you will see all the files I have in my FileZilla Test folder. The right top area will list all the folders on the server that I have access to. The right bottom area will list all the subfolders and files within the folder I selected in the right top area. Login is very straightforward. For host, you enter space.wccnet.edu. For the username, you enter your WCC username exactly as it is written. Everything is case sensitive, so you must have the correct case. For your password, you enter your WCC password exactly as it is written. Everything is case sensitive, so you have to have the correct case. For the port number, enter 22. When you have everything entered, click Quick Connect. If you get a pop-up about the host key, just click OK. You may also get a prompt about saving your password. I usually say no. If all goes well, you will see a folder in the top right area of the web page. If you have nothing on the server, then you will get a folder icon with a /. Otherwise, you may have other material up there from other classes, and you will see that. You may or may not have a public_HTML folder. A public_HTML folder is a folder that contains all the web pages you want seen via the browser. If you do not have a public_HTML folder, you need to create one. To create one, right-click on the folder icon, then click Create Directory. In the box that shows up, enter public_HTML and then click OK. To upload a file or folder to FileZilla, just drag and drop. I will upload my FileZilla test folder to the public_HTML folder by dragging and dropping. Now I will change the index.html file located in my FileZilla test folder and save it. I'm doing this on the desktop, not on the server. When I upload the updated file, FileZilla asks me what I want to do. It knows the file has been modified. Just select Overwrite and the file will be overwritten. Every time you change a file and upload to the server, you will need to overwrite the previous file. To download, you just drag from the server to the location on your computer where you want the file to go. So you'll be dragging from right to left. To rename a file or folder, just right-click and select Rename and enter the new name. To delete a file or folder on the server, just right-click and select Delete. When you delete a file or folder from the server, it is permanently deleted, so it is a good idea to have a backup. That concludes this video on getting started with FileZilla.